This is Amber Gonzalez snoring in action, also known as Kima and Octopus.
Alexandra, te voy a meter una pinche chinga gacha con la caja, vas a ver. Give me the camera now.